Hello, I'm going to show you how to order from Acbuy. So first of all, sign up and claim your bonuses. Visit acbuy.com and register an account. Use the code FashionWebs during registration to unlock exclusive bonuses and discounts. Note, some users have reported issues with the coupon code. Ensure it's valid or check for alternative promotions. Find your product, search for items on Chinese platforms like Taobao, Weidian or 1688. Copy the product link, paste the link into the Acbuy search bar to import the product details, add to cart or buy now, select your desired size, color and any other options. Click add to cart or buy now to proceed. Proceed to checkout, choose your destination country, submit the order to move to the payment page, make payment, top up your Acbuy account using payment methods like Google Pay, Skrill or credit card. Alternatively, use your existing Acbuy balance if available. Warehouse processing. Once the seller ships your item, it will arrive at Acbuy's warehouse. You'll receive a notification when your item is in warehouse. Quality control photos. Acbuy will provide QC photos of your item. Review these photos to ensure the product meets your expectations. Submit for delivery. If satisfied with the QC photos, submit the item for delivery. Choose a preferred shipping method. Pay for shipping. Pay the international shipping fee using your preferred payment method. Receive your order. Once shipped, track your order until it arrives at your address.